Hello, Walla Walla Public Schools. Dr. Ben Gauyan here. This is our next edition of Out and About with Dr. G. I'm here at our transportation department. We're going to learn a little bit about our fleet, learn a little bit about what it takes to go ahead and make a decision whether or not it's a snow day, and we're going to have some fun and chain up a bus. I'm here with our Director of Transportation, John Griffith. So we're gearing up for inclement weather. Not that it's going to happen, but it really is one of those things that we need to prepare for. John, I'm really curious, what does it look like? What does it take in terms of those decision-making processes? I'm really curious to see from your perspective what gets done.
So anytime that we know that there's inclement weather coming in, me and several other district staff members, we're up at 4 o'clock in the morning. We're out running roads. We're talking to other school districts and seeing what they know and what's coming in so that we can make an informed decision of whether we should go to school or not.
So definitely a collective effort.
Definitely a collective effort, the whole thing.
So I am curious, we're going to try out chaining a bus here. How long does it take to get the whole fleet ready to go?
We can chain every single bus in about 3 hours with the proper crew.
Let's chain a bus. I'm here with Wes, and I heard a little bit about how to get things started from Director John Griffith, but it sounds like there's a whole lot more that it takes than just, what he explained. Can you share a little bit more in detail about that?
You bet. And I'd like to welcome you.
Thank you.
Knuckles. Yeah, so it's a big process. So we have some drivers bringing the buses up to the shop here, and before they can get in them, they got to start them, build air, clean all the snow off the bus, and prepare it to have the chains put on. They come up to the front door, and we stage them in. We got 3 bays going at once, and so we have skids underneath the bus, and we got to get the duals and the bus lifted up off the ground. So that's the first step, and then we got to chock the wheels and make sure the bus is secure when we get underneath it. And if you can imagine, this thing is dripping. This is like a big slip and slide underneath here. So now I'm going to start with the chain.
Okay, here we go.
And the first step is to lay the chain out. And then the next step is to huck it over the tire. And when we're doing this, we work as a team. We have a crew on this side of the bus and a crew on the other side of the bus.
So what are you attaching? Just the other link?
Yeah, I have a hook here and...
Make it taut?
Yep.
Okay.
And then I have a key right here, and then I go around and get it all pulled up, grab the key, and lock her down. Chain tightener.
Go at opposite ends?
Yep. And there she is.
That was fast. Wow.
Can you imagine 28 more to go?
And your hands are cold.
Yes, your hands are cold.
And you did it without gloves.
Right.
I got gloves.
Yeah,
Okay.
Well, callous.
All right, let me have at it.
Okay. The first step is to
Lay it out. I think you already beat me. I'm just trying to survive. Does that look like it's right?
Yep.
Then I got to hook something in the bottom, right?
Yes.
That is far. I don't think it reaches. Oops.
It does.
It does. I don't think it reaches. Roger will speed this up.
Let's go.
Oh. One, two, three, 4 keys.
Yep.
Doesn't matter where I start?
Nope. The other way.
Other way. Oh, that was already tightened.
Yeah, it was.
That's why it was hard. Man, you tricked me.
That looks pretty good. Once you get the tightener on.
Okay, gotcha. And then opposites, right?
Yep.
Whoa. Tension band.
Yeah.
Holy smokes. I don't think that's right. That don't look right. That right?
It's close.
Close. This
Yeah.
probably needs to go up
Yeah,
here.
yep.
Should I take it off?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Wrong boots. Is it me?
Yeah.
What am I doing wrong?
You just need a little lead in your pencil.
Oh my goodness. All right. Whew. Thank you. That's just one tire on one bus.
One bus.
Well, thanks for all you do to make sure our kids get to school safely by preparing these buses. Hopefully we don't have to have a snow day,
Yeah, no
but
kidding.
when we do, and if we do, they're gonna be ready to go.
Yep.
Thanks, Wes.
You bet.
All righty.